Good morning, fourth graders, and welcome to your e-learning day, January 15th, 2021. Same thing pretty much every Friday. Your math, you must do kickstand, one lesson and or one practice page, and then you can work in Fluency Playground. For reading, you need to complete the lesson for the day and do the to-do list, and then you need to read to yourself for at least 30 minutes. For writing today, there is a grammar lesson in Unit B. It's all about taking notes. The Unit B is all about taking notes. But the grammar lesson I'd like you to work on is capitalization, punctuation, and spelling. We've been working a lot these last couple weeks on grammar. And then you can do your flex course in math. You can do Freckles, Some Dog or Prodigy. You can work in the math games of your choice. For reading, you can do the Games and Wonders. You can get into Epic if you'd like. I'm also going to put on there, we'll do a Kahoot. I'll throw a Kahoot in our Bitmoji classroom about some grammar things that we've been working on this week. Adverbs and adjectives. You can work probably that one, adverbs and adjectives. You can just click on the Kahoot icon in our Bitmoji classroom and it will take you straight to the Kahoot. Or you can also work in a PE lesson, music lessons, or STEAM lessons. Mrs. Daly came in this week and showed you guys some really cool things in that Quaver. So you access that through Clever. Not Quaver, it's Quaver. The Quaver is the music app, and you access that through Clever. Okay, if you need some help, you can send me a message in Kickstand, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. I hope you have a great long weekend. Remember, there is no school on Monday because of Martin Luther King Day, and I will see you on Tuesday. Happy learning!